Hello friends, I would like to present you some buckles which I made. In this video you will see a bronze 22mm white buckle called Skull with Rose. It is made from bronze cuprum zinc 8, which is this reddish color, and it comes in 22, 24 and 26mm variants. The buckle is attached to the strap with a 2mm thick stainless steel screw bar. The buckles fit best with handmade straps. The width of the tongues varies from 3.5 to 7 millimeters. In this video you see a 3.5mm wide tongue in a 4mm wide hole in the strap. All my works that you see in this video and which you can find on my website or Instagram are handmade. It takes about 4 to 6 hours to finish each buckle depending on the difficulty. The price for this buckle is in the description. For more information, please visit my website, where you can find more of my works and all the contact information which is needed to contact me.